Read instructions before installing hardware. This installation requires disconnecting your vehicle's battery. You may wish to use a memory saver to preserve the different convenience settings to your vehicle: radio presets, clock, memory seats, and so on. After installing the hardware, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the appropriate procedure to program components affected by loss of power. Begin the installation process by disconnecting the vehicle battery. Using either an adjustable wrench or a socket set, remove the cables from the battery terminals or posts. First, disconnect the negative cable. It will be marked by a minus sign and the negative cable is black. Next, move on to the positive side. The positive cable is marked by a plus sign and red. Once disconnected, rest the cables where they will not slip out of place and reconnect with the battery posts. The immobilizer has two important components. One of the red leads connects to the battery's positive terminal. The other connects to the battery's positive cable. If your battery has posts, use the post terminal provided. Keep in mind the post terminal has a slight cone shape to it when mounting it to the battery. The battery mounted side also has the chirp confirmation buzzer and the ground wire coming out of the immobilizer housing. The other red lead with the post secured to it will connect to your factory positive cable. The small black wire connects to the negative battery cable and grounds the immobilizer. Your first connection will secure the post side of the immobilizer to the factory positive cable. Use an adjustable wrench or a socket set to secure the connection. Next, as a safety measure, use the Velcro strips provided to insulate the metal-on-metal connection. This is a vital step and must not be skipped. Make certain there is no metal exposed, protruding from the Velcro insulation, and the Velcro has been padded together firmly. The second connection secures the immobilizer to the positive battery terminal or post. If your battery has posts, use the post terminal provided and keep in mind its conical shape. The post terminal will slide onto the battery better one way over the other. Once in place, secure the connection with a socket set and/or an adjustable wrench. Now take the U-terminal of the thin black wire coming from the immobilizer housing and secure it to the negative battery cable. This serves the purpose of grounding the unit. You may be able to secure it where the negative cable and the post terminal connect. Otherwise, as you reconnect the negative cable to the battery, firmly secure the ground wire as you tighten the negative cable to the battery post. At this stage, all connections have been made, and all that remains is to secure the hardware. Locate a metal brace, a wire harness, the battery itself, or other place to mount the immobilizer and buzzer. Keep the unit away from moving parts or excessive heat. Mount the buzzer to a clean flat surface with the adhesive tape provided. After securing all hardware and cables firmly in place with zip ties, the installation is complete. The immobilizer remote has two buttons. Pressing the lock button will arm the immobilizer with a single chirp. Pressing the unlock button will disarm the immobilizer with two chirps. You may also control passive arming settings by pressing both buttons at the same time. 3 chirps indicates passive arming has just been turned on, and 5 chirps indicates passive arming has just been turned off.